Hey GFFs, Paul Casey here, Growing Forward Services. Thanks for being along for this video journey where we have a 12 video series on time management when no one is watching. We are teleworking during this time. It's just been difficult to get our stuff done, but we need to, even around all these distractions. And these are 12 commitments of an effective time manager. Hopefully you've watched the other ones. If not, go back, watch them. They're all building on each other to get here to today, which is day 11. Day 9 was talking about building in margin and breaks. Margin, the load minus your limits, and making sure you've got some cushion time to absorb the unexpected time stuff that comes at you that you weren't expecting when the day began. Yesterday we talked about leading meetings well, because we lose a lot of time in meetings just with chit chat and tangents, and we don't start or end on time. And it's like, if we've got all these salaries in the same room, we better make sure that we utilize that time very wisely to get actions done. Today is day 11, and here is the commitment of an effective time manager, should you choose to adopt it. Stay accountable. Here you go. I will share my priorities with others on my team so that they can help me stay accountable. Some companies actually have a stand-up meeting every morning, and during this time of teleworking, I've seen a lot of companies doing this 8 o'clock meeting where they all get on Zoom or Skype, and they talk about what are they going to do for today. And at the end of the day, they talk about what they did get done and that day, so that we can just have some loose accountability during this time when we're so distracted. So you can do that daily stand-up when you get back to the work by having a little huddle every day, and you say, hey, what are your big 3 priorities for today? What are yours? What are yours? Here's what mine are. Maybe we can actually help each other out just by declaring them out loud. You're saying, well, Paul, it's just me. Maybe you have a colleague, or you have an assistant, or you have a friend that you could declare your priorities to. Whether you just do that through email or you say it out loud, it is really important to declare what you're going to get done today. By declaring that intention, you actually start moving toward those goals, and there's a better chance of you getting there, because you don't want to come back the next day and go, yeah, I didn't do any of that stuff, and now we got to push those procrastinated things into today. So stay accountable to someone to make sure that you get those done. All right. Again, I want to give you this list. Again, if you haven't emailed me, you know what to do. Just go to my email address, growingforward@paulcasey.org. I will send you this list and get you into my tribe so I can keep sending you good stuff on self-leadership. All right, day 12. You've almost made it to the end of the journey. We will see you tomorrow. Keep growing forward.